Oh, hype me up. Hype me up. So y'all know what y'all gotta do for the people. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Crystal, Real Nesta, and we thank you for visiting us on our Thomas channel, where we do reviews and box opening. Make some comments down below. Tell us what you like, what you don't like, and what y'all think we should review. As always, we're gonna have a link for these products down in the comments. Click on them links and support us. Welcome back, everybody. As y'all all know, we have our grand dog Hondo with us, and so there's a lot of things to take care of a dog. So today, one of the things we gonna unbox is the Pooper Scooper Swivel Bin and Rake set. I'm excited about this because nobody wants to touch them Pooper Scoop, and Grandpa is excited about this because he don't want to touch the Poop Scoop either. So anyway, let's get into it. So I know y'all saying, how is all of this in this little baby box? Let's check it out. So we got, oh, so that's it. Everything they put inside here. So we gotta slide this forward. And here go all the things. They do this very nice and neat. If y'all want to know what these are trash bags. Gave us a nice round of trash bags. There's a little thing on the front. We'll find out what that's for in a moment. So we're going to sit this down. Ooh, and they did it in a Ziploc bag. They wasn't playing. So I think now it's just a matter of me finding out which part goes to what. There's actually no instructions in here, by the way. No instruction? No instruction. Let's see. So, I guess all of them are interchangeable. So, we just want to start screwing stuff. It looked like 3 pieces each. I guess they set this up for all the people who don't like to read instructions. They said, what's the point of wasting our paper? That's 3 stamps. And we are going to put that one. Oh, it goes here. All right. One down. One more piece to go. And his little baby Rake. The scoop of the poop. I'm actually excited about this, you guys, because it's a very sturdy plastic, so you can rinse it off. And if Jack came down from the beanstalk, he could eat with this. Y'all know y'all like my little jokey joke. See? And then you put the trash bag. Oh, so I'm assuming. So I guess I probably no instructions, not my fault. Slid this down here. Yep, that's exactly where it goes because it won't go any further. That's exactly where it goes. It snaps in place right there. And then when you store it, you store it like so. Oh, wait. Guess what, y'all? I lied on these people. I told y'all what no instructions. Here's the instructions. But, hey, it was a nice little puzzle. And as y'all see, you put the bags they gave you on the inside. So you scoop in the poop into the bag, and then you would throw the whole thing away. So, no poopies or the handsies. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me in my video. Y'all know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, and actually there's this new thing called Hype Me Up. Hey, Mia. So y'all know what y'all gotta do for the people. Comment down below. Let me know how you like this video. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.